Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you colors in Igbo language. Okay, remember to share, to subscribe, and don't miss any of my videos, so please click the bell button. Okay. All right, let's go. So let's start with green. Green is ndondo. Okay, ndondo. So repeat and remember to practice, because the more you say, the more you get used to them. Ndondo. Ndo is life, and we usually associate green with life. So that's why you have the ndondo for green. White, ocha, ocha for white. Black, oji. Okay, you can say odioji. That means this is black. Odioji. Blue, amaloji, amaloji. Brown, uri, brown, uri. Gray, gray, ntuntu, ntuntu. Gray, which is also like ash, ashy. Ntuntu. Orange, uhiedo, uhiedo, uhiedo. So orange is also called oroma, which is the orange fruit itself. So oroma. Pink, uhiocha, uhiocha, uhie, ocha, uhiocha. Purple, ugo. Okay, ugo or ugo. Purple, ugo. Red, uhie, red, uhie. Or obara obara. Obara is blood, which is red, so obara obara. Now remember that red is uhie, white is ocha. So pink, basically white and red mixed together. Okay, we have uhie, ocha. Now you get it. Yellow, edo. Okay, yellow, edo, edo. Because oledo is gold, so we use gold as edo, which is kind of like yellow, but not really yellow. So yellow, edo.